Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host, for this episode, this very special episode of a Mary Maxim unboxing. Today, it is December 22nd, 2023, and can you believe it? I am doing an unboxing for the November Mary Maxim monthly crochet club. We moved from Florida to Tennessee. I did have my mail forwarded, and it took a while for it to get here. So I actually opened it, but I'm going to share it with you because I really like it. And I haven't done an unboxing for a while. So even though I'm not physically unboxing it, we are going to go ahead and take a look at it together. Okay. So this is what I got for November. It's the, it says Simple Slippers, and it's in sizes small, medium, and large. And look how cute they are. They look so cute. They look like little booties. And wow, I really like the way that looks. And so let's take a look at what yarn they sent. I haven't actually opened it. I just peeked through the plastic, but I have not felt this yarn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. So I'm just going to show you, there are 3 different kinds of yarn in here. Well, 3 different colorways. Let's put it that way. So this one is Red Heart Gemstone. And I can tell you right now, it is very soft, squishy. Let's look at, I've never seen this before, Red Heart Gemstone. Let me show you the colorway a little bit. And let's give you the rundown on this. So it's 7 ounces, 200 grams, 312 yards, 285 meters, and it's made by Red Heart Coats and Clark, which is in Charlotte, North Carolina. Oh, what? My son and daughter-in-law live very close to Charlotte, North Carolina. I wonder if they will let people go in and tour the factory. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll have to see. This one is called, let's see. Oh, the colorway is Florite, F-L-U-O-R-I-T-E. I think I'm saying that right. I may not be. I don't know. But in here, I see some navy blue. I see a really dark navy blue and a lighter navy blue. There's some browns and greens, even a little bit of purple in here. So it is a bulky 5 and 100% acrylic. Can you see some of the colors in there? Really, really pretty. Look at that. So it's a bulky 5 and it's kind of twisted. Can you see how there's like a little twist to the yarn? I like this. I like it a lot. This would be very soft for slippers. I like this a lot. Thank you, Mary Maxim. So the other colorway is, okay, so it's the same Red Heart Gemstone. Look at this color. This color is called Fire Agate. And it is the same. Woo, look at that. That's amazing. That is amazing. So I think that there must be enough yarn here for 2 pair of slippers, like one with this color and one with the other color. And then there are 2 of these because you saw how it was a stripe. So there's 2 of this exact color. Now this is Z-Man Royal. It's $1.19. So it's not that expensive, if that's what that is. I don't know. Let's see. This is made in Turkey, 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 241 meters. It's 100% acrylic, and it's not, it might be a little bit bulky. It doesn't say if it's a bulky or not. It does feel a little bit bulkier than just a 4-weight yarn. It's a little bit thicker. So 5-weight yarn. And I think what you're supposed to do is do stripes with this and this. Oh, look at this. This is a design for a not cuffed slipper. I don't know about you, but I just think that the cuff ones are just so adorable. Wow. But I like this. I like these 2 balls of yarn. I would never have gotten these balls of yarn if it hadn't been for Mary Maxim sending them to me. I love the colors. And I love the slipper. I really do. So I am definitely going to make these slippers because I really do like that. And I love this cuff around there because to me that just tells me that those slippers are not going to slip off of my feet very easily. I've made these kind of slippers before and I have walked right out of them in the past. So because it just seems like the socks or the slippers, they tend to grow a little bit as you're walking in them, you know. So I'm looking forward to making this one. I love it. Thank you, Mary Maxim. And I can't wait to see what December is going to bring. And it is shipped and it's coming directly here to Tennessee. So hopefully in the next week or so, I'll be able to give you the unboxing for December. But this is this is November. And so I'm pleased. I'm pleased with this one again. So far, Mary Maxim, every month except for maybe one, has not disappointed me. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time on Crochet Therapy. Stay safe, be kind, and get hooking, and much love to everybody, and keep hooking.